Okay, let me just unzip this folder. Let's see what we have here. Okay, right click and let's see. Okay, extract. Okay, wait, why is it so complicated? Why are there so many functions? I'm so confused. What do I do when I must submit this paper in a few hours? What can I do? Why is it so complicated? Okay, let's just maybe try something. No, man, I'm panicking, no. Let's click okay. If only there was a better software to help me with this issue. Wait, there is? Find out too. So you want to head over to any web browser. I'm using Chrome in this example. So click on the profile and in the search box, paste the link that I've put in the description below. As you can see, this is the website, the official website, ZipKing WMaster. There it says one-stop file compression expert. Very nice and simple design of the website. And you click on that button. Download and installing ZipKing is easy. Just follow the top right if you're using Google Chrome. And then you're gonna have to wait a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Maybe 1 to 2 seconds, or maybe even 10 seconds. Once it is done installing, you want to click on the exe file, or you want to go to where it's located in your file and run it. A window will pop up and you have to say yes. Give it a few moments. There we go. The black screen is that one. There you go. Say install now. Very simple, very fast, very efficient. That's what I like, simplicity. Ultra fast and compact size WMaster. There we go, takes you to the website just to congratulate you. And that is how you install it. That is part 1 of the tutorial. So this is how it would look once you've installed the software. So as you can see, it says WMaster ZipKing, and at the top it has a nice blue color border and the white background of the rest of the software. As you can see, now it says compression, where you can compress any files that you choose. And to the next one, it has the image option. We can compress and edit your images, which is very nice. They have PDF. You can compress or zip your PDF and extract any zip folders you have, no matter the size. It is very fast and efficient. There you have the video option, where you can compress any video that you have on your computer, and that's the file management option, where you can manage the files on your computer. So it's actually a very nice and simple. That's where at the top has a different option: minimize, maximize, cancel, make it smaller, make it bigger. That's obviously the X button if you want to cancel. Now just click on each one, and it opens the part where you can choose your file, make it smaller or bigger, as you can see on the screen. You can compress. It says HyperCompress, where you can do many different options. I like it a lot, and compared to other software, it's better. There you go, HyperCompress again for PDF. There has the extraction part, where you can extract whatever file you choose. Very simple, very clean. You can insert your video into any one. It doesn't matter the space, the software will get it done for you. I like it a lot. Very simple, there's many options there. File management, if you click on it, you can manage different files, folders, software, documents, any type of file you have. This will manage it and make it simple for you. So that is part 3 of the video. Now let's take a look at the features of each one. So once you click compression, a window pop up that can allow you to choose any folder to compress. I'm going to choose 1 or 2 files to showcase this example. As you can see, I'm busy compressing. There you click start, but just be careful to choose the correct folders. You don't want to choose something that cannot be compressed. There I've chosen one, and there you go. It is going to compress the file that I've chosen, or the document that I've chosen. That you can customize it, you can add maybe even different settings to it. Maybe you want it in a certain way, maybe you want it fast, maybe you want to be a different type of folder. There you maybe want to decrease the size of it. This software has it covered, and then after that I decided to compress it, and it is lightning fast. It is very fast, completed successfully, as you can see. So it does work. it is very fast and very efficient. So you can see there, it has been compressed into a zip folder. You can compress into different types as well. And now by the image, and now I'm choosing any image that I would like to be compressed. And it's a very nice and simple design, nice and simple layout, and it is lightning fast. Just be careful to follow all the guidelines so that there will be no errors. As you can see there, I only done one, and then they go open up the image just to say yes, it is the correct image, and I open the folder to go see yes, and it worked. That's the file path there at the top. There we go. Now let's look at the PDF function. There you can see you can drop almost any PDF, but be sure to download this additional setup when doing the PDF compression. Now depending on your computer speed, it may be faster or it may be slower. So now we give it a few seconds just so that it is done. And there we go, it is done. And then you can choose whatever document you want to add. And there we go. And that I chose those files to compress, and watch it be compressed. There we go. And then click compress again. After a few seconds, it will be compressed. Therefore, the software makes it easy to compress and to extract folders without unnecessary layouts and without unnecessary functions. That is what I admire and like about the software. So let's now go by the fourth one, that is extracting. So choose any zipped folder already, and you can click for it to be extracted. And there you can click on extract, and you see how fast it was. That is lightning fast. That is something that I enjoy, especially when I'm dealing with a lot of documents. I want it to be extracted fast. There we go. Now by the video one, where you can upload any type of video, will be long, short, maybe a YouTube short or something, or a movie. It can be compressed, it can be edited, and so forth. And there you go. I chose a video and I chose to compress it. And then again, as the PDF version, download this add-on so it can happen. There we go. This one is much smaller than the PDF. It took a few seconds less than the PDF. There we go. As you can see, it is busy compressing, and that is what the HyperCompress is all about. It is all about compressing files that at lightning fast speeds. It is done efficiently, and it is done at a nice speed. That is what I enjoy. That is what I admire about the software. As you can see, it is busy compressing. Now depending on your computer speed, it may be fast, may be slow, but after a while it will be done. Just give it a few moments on my computer to show the finished result. And there we go. And now we can do file management. So this, I won't go too much into depth, but this one just deals with the different files. You can manage it properly. If you go on the website that is shown in the description below, you can head over to the pricing of the software. Explore WMaster ZipKing, all features for free for $0. That is what I like. Instead of this company charging unnecessary money, it gives it all away for free, and these are all the features that is associated with this free software. And we accept the following payment methods: Visa, PayPal, American Express, MasterCard, and so forth. And that makes it for a fast and efficient payment. There is no scam being involved, there is no fraudulent accounts being shown. It is all free, it is all legitimate. If you want to go and download the software, it is in the description below. I will leave all the links to this company in the description below. And I want to say thank you for this company for sponsoring this video, and head over to the website and to the YouTube channel in the bottom of the video in the description, and pay some love to them, and thank you for them for sponsoring this video.